In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Instacart share link. First, open a browser and search for Instacart. You can use any browser you prefer, like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Just type in Instacart in the search bar and hit enter. Once the search results appear, you will see the official Instacart website among the top links. This is a crucial first step because accessing the correct website ensures that you are using the official platform. Take a moment to look for the link that clearly states instacart.com. Click on it to proceed. Next, click the correct link and log in. After selecting the official site, you will see the login page. Here, you need to enter your email and password associated with your Instacart account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one using the sign up option. Logging in is important because it gives you access to all the features you need to create and manage your share link effectively. After logging in successfully, you will be taken to your Instacart homepage. Now, click the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of Instacart.com. This action opens the menu where you can find several options related to your account. This menu is your gateway to various features, including managing family accounts, checking your orders, and more. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this menu as it can help you navigate the site more efficiently. Once the menu is open, take a moment to look through the options presented. From there, select Manage Family Account or Start a Family Account. If you are looking to invite family members to shop with you, selecting the appropriate option is critical. Choosing Manage Family Account will allow you to adjust settings if you already have family members added. If you are setting up a new family account, select Start a Family Account. This ensures you are on the right path for creating a share link that allows others to join your shopping experience. After that, click Continue. This action will take you to the next step in the process of managing your family account. Clicking Continue is important because it confirms your choice and moves you forward. Without this step, you might find yourself stuck or unable to proceed. Once you click, the page will refresh and you will be prompted for more information. At this point, add their name and email address, then click Invite. You will see text fields where you can input the details of the family members you want to invite. Make sure you enter their name and email address accurately. This step is vital because it ensures that the invitations are sent to the correct contacts. After filling in the required information, click the Invite button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that the invites have been sent successfully. Next up, click Copy Link to share it, or input their contact details directly to send an automated invite. If you prefer to share the link manually, copying it is a quick method. If you choose to input contact details instead, the automated invite will make the process smoother for your family members. This flexibility allows you to decide how best to share the invite based on your preference. Either way, you will be able to connect with your family for shared shopping experiences. By following these steps, you can easily create an Instacart share link and invite family members to join your shopping account. This not only simplifies the shopping process, but also makes it more enjoyable and collaborative. Thank you for watching and happy shopping.